Elena is with you. Quick patchwork blocks. Who is tired of small scraps? Let's start using them. We will sew on paper. The smallest ones quickly turn into useful blocks, from which you can assemble a pillow, a pot holder, a napkin for hot, a bag, a blanket, and even a trim for clothes. Let's surprise ourselves and our loved ones. I'm sewing on paper for the first time. It turns out to be convenient, fast, and hassle-free. The paper is easily removed after the blocks are aligned. We are trying options for placing squares in the block. I didn't work on symmetry. It's not necessary here. If you like my videos of my work, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, put likes, and leave comments. I wish you all creative success!